Hey guys, Technomentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up Touch ID fingerprint for your iPad, the newer iPad that has all screen here. So let's get started. So in order to set up Touch ID on your iPad, all you're going to do is go into the setting of your iPhone. And once you go into setting of your iPhone, you're going to scroll down in the setting where it says Touch ID and passcode. Now you're going to click on that. Once you click on that, it will give you the option to add a fingerprint. So in order to set up Touch ID, we need to add a fingerprint first. So you click on add fingerprint. And now in order to add a fingerprint, you need to place your finger, make sure it's dry, on top right here, and it will start reading your fingerprint. All I'm doing is simply just tapping it and letting it go. You do not need to press it down because that will lock your iPad. So all you'll do is just lay it multiple times and it might give you a message. Just hit OK and then keep on doing it up top right here, just like that. And once you have done that, it'll ask you to capture more of your fingerprint. So again, same exact concept on the top here. You're going to want to hit continue first and then adjust the different grips. As you can see here, just move it around basically so it can capture it. And once you have done that, it says a Touch ID is ready. And all you're going to want to do is click on continue. And in order to use Touch ID, you also need a passcode in case the Touch ID doesn't work or it becomes unavailable. So here you can have an option to do you can see your 4-digit, 6-digit, alphanumerical, or another option as well. So I'll do a 4-digit one here. I'm going to just enter something for the demo here. Of course, make sure yours is complicated, but also make sure that you remember in case you need to get back in with your passcode. As you can see here, now I have set up a Touch ID. It's ready to go, and I can test that out by locking the iPad, right? If I lock it and then I try to go ahead and swipe up, now it's asking for my Touch ID or passcode. In order to verify it works, I simply lay my finger over there on the top here and I am able to unlock my iPhone with the Touch ID and I am ready to go. Now, if you want, you can also add in the settings again under Touch ID. Go ahead and enter your passcode here. You can enter multiple fingerprint by simply clicking on it. So if you want maybe your finger from your left hand as well, maybe any of the other finger, you can add as many as you like, and then you can use that to unlock your iPad. You can use it for Apple Pay, iTunes, and App Store purchases, and password autofill. As you can see here, those are the options, and also for apps that support your Touch ID as well. So that's how you turn on Touch ID on your iPhone and set it up. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.